So student, in previous class we understand and working principle of moving coil meter. So in this class we discuss about the meter shunts. Meter shunts said that the meter shunts are low value precision resistors that are connected in parallel with the meter movement. Meter shunts bypass a portion of the current around the meter movement. This process extends the range of current that can be read with the same meter movement. Meter shunts. This is the circuit diagram of meter shunts. So student, the battery is connected in shunt with millimeter. The positive terminal of the battery is connected to the positive terminal of the millimeter, and negative terminal of the battery is connected to the negative terminal of the millimeter. So student, the meter shunt RES, this is the meter shunt RES, right student, in bypassing current around the moment to extend range from 1 to 2 milliampere. So student, this is the working circuit diagram of meter shunt. So student, from this equation we can understand the schematic diagram showing effect of shunts with RES and RAM. The current range is doubled. With the help of this circuit, the REM is the shunt resistance is equal to movement of resistance. Then the this this is the shunt meter, right student? Then shunt meter. This is the example of shunt meter. Then we are discussing about the voltmeter. So student, a voltmeter is connected across 2 points to measure their difference in potential. Uh, Voltmeter uses a high resistance multimeter in series with the meter movement. A DC voltmeter must be connected with the correct polarity. This is the voltmeter, right student? Then voltmeter, a multimeter resistance is a large resistance in series with a moving coil meter movement which allows the meter to measure the voltage in a circuit. In voltmeter there are in circuit connected there are the multiple resistance. With the help of this multiple resistance we can generate the voltmeter, such like this one is the one resistance, second one is the one resistance, and third one is a one resistance, and so on. Such like multiple resistance is a large resistance in a series. This one is the R1, this one is the R1, this one is the R2, this one is the R3, right student? Series with a moving coil meter. In previous class we discuss about the moving coil. This is the one of is the permanent magnet. One of the permanent magnet, the circuit has permanent magnet north pole and south pole, and in between north pole and south pole we connected one copper, aluminum and iron plate, and with the help of shaft and bearing he with the help of shaft and bearing he will be rotated, and the magnetic flux will be produced, and with the help of this the pointer indicates the reading, which is current and voltage are which is to be measured the current and voltage. This is the voltmeter, right student? Then we are discussing about the UG multiple to increase the voltmeter ranges, right student? This is the example. Then voltmeter. So how the multiple voltmeter, how multiple resistance are connected in the circuit, it is indicated that the voltmeter. So first R1, this is the R1, this one is the R1, this one is the R1, this one is the R2, this one is the R3, and this one is the R4, this one is the R5. There are 5 resistors are connected in the series, and one battery are connected in the series with the 5 resistance, and one pole or one terminal of the battery each connected to the resistance, right student, and one is the shunt resistance here. There are the different resistances. The R1 is produced at 2.5 volt voltage, and R2 is produced the 10 volt voltage, and R3 is produced the 50 volt voltage, and R4 is produced the 250 volt voltage, and R5 produced the 1000 volt. This is the and with the help of this, with the help of this, one resistance are used here for for uh, for for use as a switch. This is the connection or indicate that, right student. I hope you will be try to understand. Then we are discuss about the voltage resistance. The high resistance of voltmeter with a multiplier is essential. The value of the multiplier resistance, since the multiplier is changed for each range and the voltmeter resistance change. So student, the working of the voltmeter resistance is said that the when we connected in the series so many resistance at that time, the high resistance of the voltmeter with a multimeter is essential, the value of the multiplier resistance, and then since the multiplier is changed for each range, the voltmeter resistance changes. Then we the main functioning of the voltmeter. Ohms per volt rating. Voltmeter analog voltmeter are rated in terms of the ohms of resistance required 1 volt of deflection. So what that said, analog voltmeter are rated in the terms of the ohms of resistance required for 1 volt of the deflection. This value is called ohm per volt rating or the sensitivity of the voltmeter. The ohms per volt rating is the same for all ranges. It is determined by the full scale current Im of the meter's movement. The voltmeter resistance Rv can be calculated by multiplying the ohms per volt rating and the full scale voltage of each range. Then loading effect of a voltmeter. Students, when we connected the so many resistance in series and with connected the positive terminal of the battery, at that time the loading effect also increases. At that time the loading effect when voltmeter resistance is not high enough, connecting it across a circuit can reduce the measured voltage. Uh, but that's saying, when voltmeter resistance is not high enough, connecting it across circuit can reduce the measured voltage. This effect is called loading down or loading the circuit because the measured value decreases due to the additional load for a meter. Voltmeter with a resistance much greater than the resistance across which the voltage measured. The loading effect of voltmeter causes to low voltage reading because RV is too low as parallel with resistance. The digital multimeter has practically no loading effect as a voltmeter because its input is usually 10 to 20 megaohm on all ranges. The following formula can be used to correct for loading. V voltage is equal to multimeter voltage plus R1 into R2 by RV in bracket R1 plus R2 multiplied by voltage multimeter. So student, this is about the voltmeter. In this circuit we understand the voltmeter, multimeter, digital multimeter, how are used to measure the instrumentation. Thank you student.